Hey folks, welcome back. Today, we will focus on how to boot a Mac from a USB disk. If you want to install a new macOS version, repair a damaged system disk or something else, booting your Mac from USB is the most fundamental step. Step 1. Run the Mac and insert the USB drive into it. Open the System Preferences application in the dock. Step 2. Click the Startup Disk pane and you will be presented with various disk icons. Step 3. Select the USB drive you would like to use to boot your Mac. Step 4. Click the Restart button to start up your Mac using the chosen drive. Another way of starting up a Mac from a USB drive is using Startup Manager. Step 1. Insert the USB boot media into a USB slot on the Mac. Step 2. Press and hold the Option key immediately after seeing the Apple logo. Hold the key until you see the Startup Manager screen appear. Step 3. Use the pointer or arrow keys on the keyboard to select the USB drive from which you want to boot. After selecting it, click the Return key or double-click your selection with a mouse. Then, your Mac starts booting from the USB drive. However, if you find your files damaged or lost after you boot into the system, you can use ICSoft Data Recovery to get them back. ICSoft Data Recovery is one of the best data recovery tools that help you recover almost any kind of data, such as DOCX, PPTX, XLSX, MP4, etc. Step 1. Launch ICSoft Data Recovery and you will see this interface which lists all your hard drives. Select one where your files are lost or damaged. Then choose Scan. Step 2. Once it's done, select your file type from the type list on the left. Then choose the files you want to recover. Then hit Recover. Now, follow the path you set and you will see that this is the file you lost before. Okay, I hope you know how to boot your Mac from a USB drive now. Last but not least, please give us a like if you like this video. Bye.